Hi, welcome to Cloud Payroll and HR online demo. I am Kenny from High Pines Training and Consultancy, Sendirian Berhad. We provide training and consulting service in ERP system, QuickBooks Online, payroll and HR, and accounting. We also provide solutions such as Cloud ERP system, QuickBooks Online, Cloud Payroll and HRM system, financial analysis and reporting, and more. Now, let me share you the benefits of using Cloud Payroll and HR system. First, it can access anywhere, anytime. Employer and employees can view the payslip, apply and approve leaves and claims with e-applications and e-approval. We also have mobile apps to increase the flexibility and convenience for using the system. It reduces workload with the automated functionality and calculations. HR workload and time consumed will be broadly reduced. It is environment friendly, which reduces the printing, especially payslip, statutory form, and approval form for leaves and claim if you are still using manual way for approval. Since it's a pay-as-you-go applications, which is very kind to your business cash flow as you no longer need to pay a huge upfront in order to set up a server or infrastructure. If you would like to find out more on this cloud payroll and HR system, please contact us at www.highpinestc.com or email us at info@highpinestc.com. Now, let's take a look at how the system looks like. This is the main page of the system, whereby you can see the announcement given out by the payroll or HR manager, and you also can see the quick stats of the users, employees on leave, and calendars. Let us take a look at the menu bar. There are several functions that you may want to look at. Let us look at the employee profile. In the employee profile, we can see what we can record for the employee. We choose an employee as an example. As you can see, there are so many types of information that you can record regarding this employee. First, let us look at the personal informations. Under the personal informations, you are allowed to record down the employee's name, their ID, the hire date, and the confirmation date. If you are hiring foreign worker or expatriate, you may also record down the passport informations, work permit informations, and visa informations. You may also able to record down the employee contacts, dependents, the payment info such as their salaries, job informations, statutory informations, and you may also assign supervisor for this employee, and you can record down all the asset that has been assigned to this employee, such as their laptop, their security scan card, so that the HR will know what to retrieve back when they resign. You may also allow to attach some attachment, such as like their employment letter and some certificates for record. Now, let me show you how your employee can retrieve their payslip and EA form. All employees are provided with the username and password for them to log in, and they need to come to these payslip functions, and then they can see the current month payslip with all the payment information details shown in it. Employees are also allowed to retrieve previous month payslip, and then they can click on this print button to print them out if it is necessary. Next, let me show you how the leave module works in this system. First, we need to come to the leave module. This is the main page for the leave module. As you can see, there are a lot of functions that you may want to look at. But first, let us look at the calendar. Under the calendar, we can see all the public holidays and the leave applications of employees shown on the calendar. This calendar can help HR admin and supervisor a lot in order to arrange workforce for the company. As an employee, to apply leave, all they need to do is click on the start date on the calendar, choose the leave type that they want to apply, and choose the end date of the applications. Type in the reasons for the applications, and click apply. Then you click yes for the submissions. These leave applications will send to the supervisor in order to make approval. We also allow to set multiple level of approval to comply to the company leave policy. For supervisor to approve the leave applications, all they need to do is come to the supervisor approval and then choose the leave that they want to approve and click approve selected. So this application has been approved by the supervisor. Employees are allowed to view all their leaves information under the leave report. All they need to do is come to the overall summary. They can see all their leave balance, credit, carry forward leave, earned leave, and the leave taken. If let's say they want to look into more details under the leave balance, they can always click on the number and the system will show up all the details of their leave balance. This will help the employee to see what is their leave balance and no longer need to ask HR for their leave balance. And HR no longer need to spend time to look out what is their leave balance if the informations are recorded in Excel or in manual. It may take time for them to retrieve these informations. Next, I would like to show you how your employee can submit claims. Now, let us take a look at the claim module. Now, this is the main page for the claim module. Let us start with submitting a new claim. All we need to do is type in the claim type and then insert the invoice date and then choose the claim type that available under this claim. We can create as many claim type as we want, but today I would like to show you our mileage claim, because for my understanding, there are still a lot of company employees will need to calculate the claim amount for the distance that they have traveled, and then HR will need to verify them again for the approval. So in this system, all employee need to do is type in their travel distance, such as like 20 kilometers, and then the claim amount will be automatically calculated according to the rate that's set by the company, and then put in their purpose, client visit, and then add in attachment if there are any. After that, all they need to do is click add to list. If let's say there are more than one claim under the April claim, all I need to do is click on new item, put in the receipt date, and then choose my claim type. And now maybe I can show you the claim type for hotel. Under the hotel claim type, all employee need to do is key in the check-in date and then the checkout date. The system will automatically populate what is the maximum claim amount the employee can submit. If let's say the company have limits one day, there is 200 ringgit maximum for the claim amount. Employee cannot key in more than 200. Let us try with key in 210, and then the system will deny your submissions. Okay, so let us key in back. the correct amount, and then put in the purpose. And then you can attach the hotel receipt under the attachment. We can also key in the hotel name for record. At last, we click on add to list. Now we have 2 claims under April claim. If you have more claim to submit, you can always click on new item and follow the same steps. If let's say I want to submit this claim for approval, all I need to do is click on submit, double check on the claim that I want to submit, click on submit again. And then this claim has been submitted to my supervisor in order to approve. And it is the same. We can set multiple level of approval for this claim by following the claim policy that company have. For a supervisor to approve the claim, all they need to do is click on approval functions and then check the claim details. If let's say you want to approve the claim, you can click select all. You can click on approve selected if you want to approve the claim, incomplete selected if you want the employee to resubmit the claim with more details, and reject if you want to totally reject the claim. So if you want to approve, just click on approve selected. Okay. Employees are also allowed to view all their claim information under the claim report. They can view all their claims, whether it is what is the details of the claim, whether it is approved or still pending approval. So employee can view all these informations in the claim reports, and they no longer need to ask HR what is their claim status, as they can view it themselves under the report, and HR admin can save some time on retrieving or asking the status of their claim. So these basically are the functions for the claim. For the last, I would like to show you how HR can easily process the monthly payroll in a very short time. For HR to process their monthly payroll, all they need to do is go to the payroll processing. Choose the month that they want to process and click on proceed. Basically, we will choose all employee unless there are any employees that you want to hold their salary. Then click on proceed. Retrieve the latest information from the system in order to get the latest payment for the employee. System will populate all the payments from the system, especially for salary, claim amount, any allowance that apply. If let's say you want to have some change of the payments, you can always change under this table, such as you can add in their OT. In order to add in their OT, HR no need to calculate the rate for the OT. All HR need to do is put in the total hour that employee has OT for this month. If let's say you feel this table are not easy to be managed, you can always export this table into Excel and try to change all the amount that you want in this Excel, and then you save it. After that, you can always upload back the Excel to the system, and the system will populate all the informations from the Excel. Double check all the payments are correct. After that, click on confirm and proceed with all employee. System will start to calculate all the payments that need to pay to the employee, as well as all the statutory payments such as EPF, SOCSO, EIS, and PCB. After system have calculated all the payments, we can come to the payroll report to view all the details. Click on preview. All the payment informations or the payroll informations will be populated into the payroll report, such as bank list report, which bank that you need to pay to, and then all the payroll calculation, such as their basics wages, what is the allowance, total allowance amount, gross pay, deductions, the EPF, SOCSO, EIS, and the tax amount, as well as the employer EPF, SOCSO, and EIS. You can look into the details of the payment amount. For allowance, you just click on the allowance tab. Then you can view all the details payment amount for allowance. Okay. After you have double checked all the payments, if it is all correct already, then HR can start come to the text file generator in order for them to generate the text file for the submissions. Support different text file format for different bank. In this account, we use CIMB as the sample. We do have CIMB biz channel to create the text file format and submit to the CIMB portal in order to make the bulk payment. We also have the statutory reports such as the EIS, EPF, LHDN, and SOCSO text file to be generated in order to submit to the statutory portal and make payment in the statutory portal. So HR no longer need to do the payment one by one or report the employees one by one from the statutory portal. So until now, I have shown how easy employees can apply leave, claims, and supervisor to approve leaves and claims. There are mobile apps for the cloud payroll and HR system. It helps to increase the flexibility and convenience. Now, let us see how it looks like. This is the main page of the mobile apps. As you can see, it shows the employee's ID, employee's name, and the leave summary. Employees are able to retrieve their monthly payslip via the mobile apps by tapping on the payslip button. Due to there are P&C informations inside, employee will need to key in again their username and password and then tap on submit. And now, employee are able to retrieve any month of their previous payslip. And then tap on retrieve. Then they can see their payslip of that month. They also can tap on the download button. Now, let me show you how employee can easily apply leave from the mobile apps. All they need to do is tap on the leave button and then start choosing the date they want to take leave. Example 27 until 29. Then tap on next button. Start choosing which leave type that you want to apply. Example like annual leave. Then tap on next button. And then system will show the leave applications. After verify, tap on next button. Insert your reason. And tap on upload attachment if there is any attachment needed to be uploaded. After that, tap on next. Double check the applications. Then you can click on submit the leave and yes. Now the leave have submitted to the system and awaiting for supervisor to approve. And this is how your employee can apply leave via the mobile apps. There are a few more functions that are available in these mobile apps, such as health declarations, which is needed recently, and leaves and claim approval for supervisor in order to make approval. And we will keep on improving the mobile apps in the future. If you want to know more information, please find us at www.highpinestc.com, or you may email us at info@highpinestc.com. Thank you.